Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing free app called Launcher iOS 17. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Pick your language from the list of available ones by clicking on it and choose Save over here. Now you need to click on Continue twice. And then select Start. Finally, you can close an ad and then close Launcher app. Following that, tap on Devices Settings and click on Apps. Then scroll down just a bit, tap on Default Apps, Home app, and then Launcher iOS 17. So when I select it and go back, I can see that my Apple layout was applied successfully on this Google Pixel. In order to switch between your layouts, you need to go into the same settings and tap on Pixel Launcher or iOS one. If you wish to, you can always access Launcher app. Click on Continue to App at the top right corner. And after selecting Allow, manage all of those options however you want to, like wallpaper. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!